Mahatma Gandhi. He is father of our nation. The bustling Indian city of Porbandar in the northwestern state of Gujarat stands on the coast of the Arabian Sea. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in one of the many large white stone houses that line the narrow streets of the port. His father, called Karamchand but often known as Kaba, was the city's prime minister. Gandhi's mother, Putli Bai, she gave birth to Gandhi at the age of 25. As a young boy, he was also influenced by Jainism, an ancient Indian religion which flourished in and around Porbandar. Jains preach an extreme form of ahimsa, non-violence. Gandhi moved on to a high school. However, when he was 13, his studies were interrupted by his marriage. During his teenage years, he had temptations like meat eating even though he was a vegetarian and smoking. In 1887, he passed his matriculation examination. In 1888, Gandhi set sail for England to be a barrister. He was determined to play the part of the English gentleman and accordingly bought formal suits and ties to replace his traditional Indian clothing. Gandhi worked hard for his legal examinations. After passing, he was called to the bar on 10th June 1891. After 2 uncertain years in India, where he was unable to start a successful law practice, he moved to South Africa in 1893 to represent an Indian merchant in a lawsuit. He went on to stay for 21 years. It was in South Africa that Gandhi raised a family and first employed nonviolent resistance in a campaign for civil rights. In 1915, aged 45, he returned to India. Gandhi's first major step in May 1915 was to establish the Satyagraha Ashram. To demonstrate Gandhi's rejection of mechanized industry, ashram members made one further commitment to wear only garments made of handspun cloth. In 1917, he led the first Satyagraha protest in India. It occurred in Bihar near Bengal, where English planters were exploiting local indigo growers. Gandhi went to Hindu's Kumbh Mela festival, where many pilgrims visited him to ask for advice. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, also known as the Amritsar massacre, took place on 13th April 1919 when acting Brigadier General Reginald Dyer ordered troops of the British Indian Army to fire their rifles into a crowd of unarmed Indian civilians in Jallianwala Bagh, killing at least 379 people and injuring over 1,200 other people. By 1920, Gandhi had turned against British rule, so he returned the medals he had won in South Africa. Gokhale had died 5 years earlier in 1915 and Tilak in the summer of 1920. Gandhi was therefore able to take charge of the organization and lead forwards in his own unique way. Assuming leadership of the Indian National Congress in 1921, Gandhi led nationwide campaigns for easing poverty, expanding women's rights, building religious and ethnic amity, ending untouchability, and above all, for achieving Swaraj or self-rule. The same year, Gandhi adopted the Indian loincloth or short dhoti and in the winter a shawl, both woven with yarn, handspun on a traditional Indian spinning wheel or charka as a mark of identification with India's rural poor. Disgusted by the crisis in Chauri Chaura, Gandhi at once called off the Satyagraha. Just over a month later, on 10th March, British arrested him for writing anti-government articles in a magazine called Young India. The Bhagavad Gita, a Hindu holy book, greatly influenced Gandhi. About 20 Hindus and 11 Muslims were killed in Kohat riots in 1924. On 18 September, Gandhi began a 21-day fast designed to encourage the rebuilding of relationships between two warring communities, Hindus and Muslims. Dandi March. Bringing anti-colonial nationalism to the common Indians, Gandhi led them in challenging the British-imposed salt tax with the 400-kilometer Dandi Salt March in 1930. Quit India Movement. Quit India Movement, also known as the August Movement, was launched at Bombay session of the All India Congress Committee by Mahatma Gandhi on 8 August 1942 during World War II, demanding an end to the British rule in India. Gandhi's wife Kasturbai was imprisoned the day after him in the summer of 1942. Kasturbai died on 22nd February 1944. Muhammad Ali Jinnah did not accept the idea of Gandhi to have a united country. At last, India got its independence on 15th August 1947. With independence, India got partitioned into two separate countries, India and Pakistan. On 30th January 1948, Nathuram Godse joined the crowd waiting for Gandhi to begin his evening prayer meeting. As the Mahatma approached, Godse shot him several times. Gandhi at once fell to the ground, the word Rama on his lips. Gandhi's body was publicly cremated on the banks of the Jamna River. Even if he is not there with us, his laws and his principles will always stay with us. Jai Hind.